Hi friends, now in this particular video we would go ahead and find and calculate the standard deviation, which is a very important technique used in descriptive analysis. My file has been stored in df2, that is the data frame, and let me call it upon .std, which stands for standard deviation. Now the moment I go ahead, I run this particular code, you will see the result is in this format. What is it doing? It has showcased to me bound method data frame dot std. What is my data frame out here? df2 dot std. Show id is the one that has taken care of, and it is showcasing to me show id of what? Show id of type is another column it has got. So under show id, it is showcasing to me these number values for the total number of rows that are present, and type is tv show, movie, and it has run the entire thing and it has given me the values for it. So this is how you're going to use std for your file that has been uploaded in the collab. So let me come up with yet another one. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.